Midday, we want to wait to eat anything else after breakfast. We want to allow our bodies to fully digest it before we add food to our bodies. Adding food to undigested food causes our bodies to create a buildup of toxic sludge in the body. So we wait, we have a big enough breakfast to make it to lunchtime without stress. And then at lunchtime, to align with nature, we want to have our biggest meal because that's when our digestion is going to be the most robust. So the most satisfying, largest meal of the day happens midday. Make sure that while you're eating, you're present with your food. There's a thing about how to eat. The idea is to be with your food, chew your food, just really honor it and make it kind of a ritual. Water, we definitely need to make sure that we're fully hydrated and we want to start right away. You think, well, yeah, I'm drinking enough water, but sometimes I think the stat is 80% of the population is dehydrated. So the way we hydrate is, the first thing in the morning, we take our a full glass of water. Right before breakfast, we want to take, well, not right before, a few minutes before breakfast, we want to take another full glass of water and let that water absorb before we take our food in. And then we want to wait at least an hour after our meals so that we're not diluting our digestive juices. We're giving our body a chance to thoroughly digest our food so that it can be absorbed, broken into the component parts so our body knows how to absorb it. And between meals, we want to sip on water, just little sips. If we sip on hot water, it significantly increases our hydration rate. We want to aim for half of our body weight in ounces of water every day. If that's not where you're at, if you're like woefully less than that, what you might find when you begin to drink more water is you might notice that you get a little bit of a healing crisis. The body will begin to detoxify. And so you'll have to navigate that by, taking it slow. But the idea here is to get yourself fully hydrated. It does take a couple of weeks if you're chronically dehydrated, and it's one of the most important things you can do for your health.